Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We got a new machine from our new friends at Mason Pot. You can go check them out at Mason Pot on IG, and you can look them up on YouTube at Mason Pot as well. And they're a newly formed company, and they've started to come out with these little mini infusion kits. So let's see what it looks like and what they're talking about. So I can get through all this tape. Alright. So they packed this really well, and we got a little letter. It says, Michael, stoked to have you as part of the Mason Pot family. Absolutely love the quality content you produce, and we're excited to see what our partnership has in store. Jack. And I'm happy to be a part of the team, and I'm ready to see what we come out with these crazy ideas that I have. So let's go ahead and check out the product that they sent us. Alright. It looks like we got some mason jars with their logo on it. Family owned since 2023. And we got some, hold on, let's put this inside. We got some towels, yes sir. Very nice quality towels. And I love the color. Let's go ahead and set this to the side over here, along with the other towel. They sent us some more lids and I think a top to stick a probe through. I think that's what that is. Put that over here. Our bamboo tincture storage and dropper. This is dope. I like that. Wood and bamboo. And welcome to the family. Scan the QR code on the inside. So let's go ahead, open this up. Love the box. Very nice and neat. Great way to store your Mason Pot. Now let's open it. And this is how it comes. You got your thermometer here, or your probe, I guess you'd say. This is your gauge that's gonna temp and time your whole infusion, along with some extra lids with the probe. And then we got, let's take the pot out, the Mason Pot with the filter to go inside. That's where you're gonna put your herbs and let them infuse in. And then we also got the masher to mash whatever herbs that you have inside. And everything is nice quality, very nice quality. I like the wood textures and the finishes on these products. Let's go ahead and take this thermometer out. It's very nice. Let's see. So it says on one end it says cook, and on the other it says timer. Let's see, start turning it on. Oh, I might just have to add batteries too. I'm not sure. Let's see. Nope, they got that. Oh, there's plastic wrapped around the battery. Yeah, so let's take that plastic off. Or I can get out of here. Y'all get the gist. So we got the Mason Pot. A whole bunch of extra pots, which is always a plus. We always want to have extras just in case. The thermometer and the lid. And this here is the OG bundle, and this is what comes with the whole OG bundle. The whole box, 3 different mason jars, the thermometer, the dropper, and all the extra attachments for lids and stuff that come included. And you can get all this stuff at masonpot.com. Just go to masonpot.com/datboyphotography. I'll put a link down below, and you can use that link to go to their website and purchase anything using code DAPBOY Photography. They get you 10% off select items in the shop, like extra attachments, the tincture dropper, the bamboo tincture dropper, and the masher, or any towels or anything extras that you might need. You can get it with 10% off using my code DAPBOY Photography. Thank you guys for watching. Please check their Instagram out, Mason Pot. You can catch their info at the bottom of my description, where you're going to see all the links and all the discount codes for the Mason Pot. And the great thing about the Mason Pot, it's cheaper than the Levo 2 and it's cheaper than the Ingres. This is it's more, to me, I haven't used it yet, but from what it's looking like, it's going to be a lot more efficient to clean and to store. I have a lot of kitchen appliances, and with the more and more kitchen appliances I get, the more and more space I need. And the fact that I can store all this inside of here makes it easier for me to put stuff away and to reuse things, and not to get stuff lodged behind other things and I forget that they're even there. So please go check them out. They have an amazing product here, and I can't wait to make some crazy infusions with this product. Please leave down suggestions of what I should do first. I'm thinking of alcohol. Maybe we could do a cannabis infused honey again, but add some different things to it, like a hot honey, so we can make hot honey wings. We can do that. Just, I'm up for any idea. If not, I'll come up with anything as usual. Please leave a like, comment, please subscribe. It helps us with the algorithm and gets us to our goal of 200 subscribers by the end of the summer. We're almost at 100. Just we're pushing. You guys are with me, and we're almost there. So thank you guys again for watching, and please go check them out. And you can also go check out any of my infusions and any of them that you would like to buy. You can check down at the link down below. Just go check it out. Thank you guys.